Hi, my name is Khadijah, and I'm here to introduce you to Karima. Wait, what? What am I supposed to say? You didn't give me the lines or nothing.
Khadijah, what?
What am I supposed to say?
This is not bluebirds.
But what am I supposed to say?
Introduce me, Khadijah. Oh my God,
But,
you know.
can you say it? Can you say it?
Oh my God, that's enough. Take two. Go ahead, try again.
What am I supposed to say?
Bro, just say hello, hi. This is Khadijah.
Yeah, and what?
And today I'm cooking with just Reemah.
Oh, okay.
Try it. Oh.
Okay, I'm like, what am I supposed to say? All right,
Oh God. Okay. I'm okay. Try again.
It's like girls gone wild, I go get my grill on. Hard as ice and sparkling gold. I'm in a tropical paradise I call home. It's like an alpha and omega.
My name is Khadijah, and today I'll be cooking with my sister, my twin sister, Just Reemah. Yay!
Welcome back to my channel. Today, guys, I am going to be teaching you guys how to make some good macaroni pie. It's my specialty and her specialty, very favorites. Today, I am going to be having her taste my macaroni pie. Well, she haven't mostly tasted in a while, but I have special guest Gabby along with us to taste my macaroni pie. Okay, you guys, here are my ingredients. I have Ronzoni. I don't know how to pronounce it very right, sorry. Ronzoni, the elbows, number 35. You have this Alfredo sauce. This is my secret recipe to make my macaroni pie. Very good. Parsley. Parsley is very good. Seasoning too. Now, 2 packs of 6 cheese. This exact pack though. Then we have garlic powder, but you guys, I'm a little bit out, but this is good enough to make the good seasoning of the macaroni pie very well. Garlic powder at all costs. Adobo. Just we put a sprinkle, a little bit of adobo on it. It's still very good. Cracker Barrel cheese. Cracker Barrel cheese is very good. Extra sharp. It has to say extra sharp yellow. No 2% milk. It has to say extra sharp Cracker Barrel cheese. To get started on this, we must wash our hands first for 20 seconds. So I usually do this soap. Yes, I am. 1, 2, 3. Alright, cool. So, because most cooking shows I see, they don't go ahead and wash your hands. They probably wash them right, but I like to see you washing your hands before you start. Okay, here, I put water in there. You must put the water half of the pot. And then, fire. We got fire, everybody. This is my drainer to drain out the water, and this is my bowl where I'm gonna mix all the ingredients. So right now I'm going to let this boil, like 2 minutes. Alright guys, so now the water is actually boiling. So I'm going to get some oil. The oil is just to maintain so the macaroni shells don't stick. I'm going to pour a little bit in it. A little bit of oil in it. Okay, here we go. A little bit of oil. So you have our spoon here. Wash them at all coats thin. Just have to mix the oil and water together. Well, now once you do that, okay, once I do like a mini, I put this up, put it top of here, move away from the stove at all costs. So now we get our box of elbow shells. Okay, now we're gonna open it up, lower the fire down a little bit, down to like between 6 now. Make sure you get left in it. It's going to turn fire a little bit up towards 7 and just stir the macaroni shells in there. Alright, cool. And that's it for now. So, gotta wait till it boil up a little more. So we're gonna put the fire on 4 or 5 for now. That's it. When the water starts boiling up, guys, that means it's gonna take it out soon. Just like this. So it look like this, more plumpy. Alright guys, you see the macaroni right here? We're gonna drain them out in our grainer right here. New drainer right here and stuff. And then let's shake it up a little bit. See what I'm talking about right here? Loose piece come out, let it stay. Just let it stay. Let it drain for at least 5 minutes, and that's it. Alright, so now we're gonna put the stuff in here. Just making sure she goes in there. Go in there. There we go. Put everything out. I left it on for too long, guys. Don't mind me. The cheese. 2 packs. Every single one of them in there. That's 1. Every single thing in there. Just dump it. Alright. So before we start off, because you know, we need to get milk. Milk's important. Milk. So now, I'm gonna pour the milk in here to make sure making macaroni and cheese. You guys don't worry about it. I see people usually like put their cheese on the fire and melt them, but the same process here, you're still gonna melt your cheese because you know why? The macaroni is still hot. If your macaroni not making this sound, it is. You need to throw that macaroni pie away. Seriously. See how the cheese is melting? Alright. So once that has melted out, right, now it's time to add the ingredients. So we have our double seasoning right here. Cool. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit around there. A little bit sprinkle. Garlic powder, which I have a little bit left. So basically I'm gonna dump the whole thing in there. Just dump all the garlic powder in there. Yup. The parsley, I put the parsley in both. This is fresh parsley, so I gotta open the whole thing up. Yup. I put a lot. Parsley's needs some good seasoning to tell you that for sure. And now we're gonna stir it up. Just like this, as you can see. Whole jar of butter. That's it. 1 stick of butter. You use any butter, but I can't believe it's not butter. It's just the one. I cannot believe that. So right there, we're gonna keep stirring everything up. What's funny, Khadijah? She's laughing at me. You guys are so funny. Okay. Alright. So keep stirring everything. Make sure you see the butter has melted in with the macaroni cheese. This is macaroni cheese right now. Okay. We don't call it a pie until we put it in the oven. So. Alright. And now the last but not least is this cheese. This is the best cheese ever. mind that. All right. Whoa. Okay. All right, so Alfredo sauce. This is my secret recipe of all times. So, get this open. Assistant! Oh my gosh, this girl. Fine, she opened it for me. You know, I couldn't get to open it, but all right. We're gonna use like a half. Half could be right here. All right, so pour around. All right, is it half yet? Not half yet.
Yes, Mom.
Wrapping. All right. All right, so we're gonna make you guys taste test this. My two best taste tests is right here. You're gonna try it for me.
Ooh, good. Oh no. It needs to be warm, but it's good. It's flavor. Has flavor.
Yeah, mac flavor.
Have mac flavor. Does macaroni have flavor? What's poppin'?
I hate your results sometimes. You could be just like Gary right here. Oh my
Damn!
gosh, Kia, it's so difficult.
It has flavor.
All right, all right.
Now I'm about to put the macaroni in the pan. Cooking spray.
Now bring it down. Bring every single little thing down. Everything. Every single cheese from here. Spread it all around. I'm making a really nice. Alright. And just spread it out like that.
Last block of cheese I have here.
So last block of cheese. I'm gonna sprinkle off this here and just relax. Cream, just relax. All right. Sprinkle. Normally I would have put in a bowl and sprinkle it, but I didn't do all that. I have no assistant right now. She's in the back helping me out with the camera. On top of it too as well. I like parsley a lot. It should help enough seasoning and mostly flavor. All right, now that's done. That's it. See, now we're gonna put this in the oven. Cover it up good too. I'm not feeling. The oven's set to 400. 400 the oven set to. Okay? 400. So I'm gonna check on the pie. for the next 30 minutes. Dandy dandy.
These gloves are the best.
Here. Here. Make sure it's set. Here. Okay. Circle the corner ends to see if it's heating. Like you see the brown spots are coming in from the corner ends. That's how I know when to take it out. Okay, so once we take it out, we're gonna take out the foil paper, of course. We're gonna leave this in for the rest. So the top part could turn brown. That's it. All right, first plate's up. You see how this is like literally gonna stick? Just like that. What, little piece or okay piece?
Yeah, that's one.
Okay. Gonna help you with this. This is great. Hop, hop. Hop, hop. Here, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. This is very, very hot. Mm-hmm. So guys, give me like 1 second. Take it easy. Now's your turn.
A little bit.
I hate this. Alright, so now we're gonna at least try it. I'm so sorry. I know it's very, very hot for you guys, but I know y'all like what the frick. I'm so sorry.
Hot, very hot. It's very hot.
Huh?
It's very nice and very moist. That's how I like my macaroni and cheese. Not too hard, not too anything, but very moist. That's how I like my macaroni.
Yes, guys. As you
My
can
macaroni
see,
pie.
the macaroni pie here. Okay. I didn't even take a picture of it. I know. I could take a picture of it and screenshot it. Oh, wow. All right, guys. The macaroni pie.